Good morning, everyone. This is just almost 8 o'clock. I'm filming this video very, very early in the morning. Um, I feel really, really sad. I don't know how to put it, but and I know I can't help everybody. That's the thing here. I can't help everybody. I think that's more reason why I feel really, very, very, very sad. As we all know, I started my YouTube channel for the main purpose to be able to reach out to people um, whenever anyone wants to move to Azerbaijan, majorly Africans, especially Nigerians. I really feel like researching and looking for videos and articles on Azerbaijan and based on moving to a new country. It's all what we're all looking up to. Like before moving to any country, I like to look at people living in that same country to see how I can adjust, or how I can see if it is the place I really want to move to before taking the leap, before moving back to Nigeria. I did a lot of research, where to stay, the states to choose, um the environment I want to live in. The main reason for making this video this morning is just the process of me moving to Azerbaijan to study and all of that. I feel like the old circle is happening all over again, because this time around, people that processed my visa, that's the agent I'm talking about now. The old process is happening again. They are bringing in students, not even students now. It's like another time. It's like a type of package where they promise people with football visa. So with the hope that you get into the country, you get something doing, and which I am. See, I'm gonna tell you, I had a lot of friends then that came in for the football process, all of that. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work that way. They end up spending years and years in the country doing nothing, because your purpose of coming, you want to achieve that, and once that is not being achieved, most of them just give up, because it's actually not realistic. It's not realistic, trust me. It just doesn't work like that for Azerbaijan. It doesn't work like that. You need to, how would I say, for you to be invited on inside the club. It works differently. This is the spec of living in Nigeria. Like how? Why? And bear in mind, I'm living on second floor, not even like ground floor now, and the noise is so. As I was saying, it doesn't work that way. See, it just doesn't work that way. Before moving, or before even giving your millions to this agent, do your research. That's what I'm here for. Do your research. Like, talk to people in that country. Do your research very, very well. It is. I really wish there were videos like this before moving to Azerbaijan. Really, I really wish there were videos like this before I took that move. Like before my parents decided, oh, we come abroad to come and study. I really wish there were videos like this. So that's it. Then the second one is so there is this we all know Azerbaijan. Each country, they have their capital. The capital is always more developed than the other regions. So basically, in Azerbaijan, Baku is the capital, and others are called regions. And these regions are not so not the kind of thing you expect. Yeah, it's good, but it's not up to the standard of the capital. Which is the normal thing. But living a whole Nigeria, or your country, wherever you're coming from, and going to the village, because basically that's what they call it, village. It's really, really sad. So we have agents that process this kind of visa for them, for some students, and they will go to that region. So most of them, they expect them to come into like where there's developed space and all of that, and because of the type of visa they process for them, it only covers them to stay in that village. And what people don't know is your visa or your residential permits of that village cannot cover you to another place, like to the city or something like that. I'll keep stressing this, I will keep saying this because I keep repeating this in my videos, and I wish you guys would just listen. This village's residential permits, temporary resident permits, does not cover you in the another city. Whenever you are registered to one place, that is that place you are meant to stay forever till you have a business in the city and you want to change your this thing, and it takes another lot of process to change it. So please know this. I'll mention cities like Nakhchivan, Lankaran. We have a lot of them. If you want to go there, if you feel like you are just tired of where you are in Nigeria, you don't mind, your choice. But I woke up with stories that are just beyond me. Like life over there, I don't know how to put it, but people feel, see, basically people come with expectation of, oh, abroad everywhere is very, very developed. No, not all places. That's why you have to do your research. You look for videos like this. I'm just tired, I'm too tired, you know. So that's just it, basically. Do your research very well. I don't want to keep waking up to these stories. It just annoys me, and people reaching out to me to help me. I can't help everybody. Really. Like when I was in Azerbaijan, I met a lot of people like that. They're in Nakhchivan, and some are doing well, but some people just they can't just cope in that situation. Some people can't cope in that kind of environment and lifestyle. I'm not condemning that some of these places are not so good, but imagine coming from a place like Lagos. You're now going to another region that is really, really low. You know, you'll be like, what's that? It's not gonna meet your standard. So that's just it. So another disadvantage there is once you go to the region, you will rarely see someone that can speak English. That's just it. The education system is not in English, it's in the language. So that's one of the disadvantages for students, people that are coming here to study, like legit to study. So that's like a disadvantage for most of them. So you will not see, unlike in the city here in Baku, wherever you go to, it's, if I'm inside the mall, something is wrong, I can shout, can you speak English? Who can speak English here? You know, anyone that can speak English, please come here to help me. You know, someone will be available to help me. Trust me. You know, but in Activan, probably nobody. Trust me, not a lot of, very few, very, very few. And the education system, it is now in their language, which I don't advise unless you are really ready to learn the language. So that's it, basically. You know, I've just been thinking some days ago, maybe creating like a community on Instagram, like creating like Instagram, how would I put it, creating a place where people can just go to easily instead of YouTube. You know, they can be able to access. We make all of this to reduce, I really don't know, you know. And there's this another issue we really need to address, as blacks in foreign land, or especially in a country where they are not used to seeing the black skin. Some newcomers or some people that are new to Baku, they kind of they couldn't get that gist or the memo of like why they staring and all of that. Trust me, you're gonna get over it. You're gonna get over it. See, you do as if you can't even see them. That's just it. With time, you get over it. Then there is a thing of, you know, moving to a new country. You're lonely and all of that. Trust me, you'll feel that way forever. So far you're far from family, or you're far from a space that is not where you grew up in. I don't know if that makes sense. You know, what you can just do is join join organization, join groups, look for people that you are in the same tribe. That kind of way you'll be able to survive, and make friends that feels like family. You know, create that friendship that feels like family. Like whatever something is wrong, or you know that these people got your back, like these people will be there for you, you know, that kind of thing. Like I'm happy to say, like in Azerbaijan, whew, see, if I say I am broke, I have people that will call that can send me money because we had to create that bond. We had to create that relationship. You'll be far away from home. You'll be far away from families and friends, the environment you are used to. The only thing you can do is to just integrate yourself easily into the system, and you will see how things will change and evolve for you. You will even love it there. When I was saying goodbye to Azerbaijan and meeting my people for the last time, almost I felt so down because I got used to I got used to them. See, there is nothing like when you move to a country and you meet the right set of people exactly the first day you get into the country. This first set of people you meet when you relocate to a new country is what will determine your stay in that country. I'll keep saying this and I keep telling people the first set of people you meet, they are very, very important. Very, very important. The first set of people I met were they were nice. Really, I met a lot of good people. I met a lot of bad people. But trust me, I'm that kind of person. I gravitate. We all gravitate towards the good side. Nobody wants to gravitate towards the bad side. Trust me. A lot of people. I felt like a lot of people wanted to. Like a lot of people were really willing to help me. That was what kept me going, and I like that. I met a lot of good families, good people. See, my good experience was more than the bad side. Basically, I experienced a lot of harsh reality, like harsh things in Azerbaijan, which really I am not really ready to talk about today because even my parents are not happy with it. But trust me, as a black lady in that land, I experienced a lot of things. I know you understand what I'm trying to say, but today is not the day for it. I feel like today is not the day for it. So basically, that's it. Share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. So